My name is Sisir Sahoo. I'm from Bhubaneswar, Odisha. I'm basically an institutional builder, a strategist. My domain is research, innovation, startups, entrepreneurship. My visit to AMTZ is really so memorable. I request everybody in this world should come and see the world wonders here. I can believe in India such a kind of setup has been built up by Dr. Jitendra Sharma ji, and so many things to see, so many things out of our vision even, that I can say anything you talk about health, this is going to be a big cluster in this world. And the greatest testimony is World Health Organization having their own setup here. It's itself a big recognition for MedTech, and it's a memorable day. It's amazed to see this kind of things, something very miraculous, there are so many mysticism involved in it. And I request everybody, those who are interested in the health sector, in India's development, please come and see how India is progressing here. A real Viksit Bharat is happening here. Thank you.